Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning. First and foremost, we wish to record our gratitude to Puan Johara binti Ghazali for constant support and encouragement in preparation of this report and for making available library and facilities needed to prepare the mini project. Today, we want to present our mini project that we've been working on. The task we've been given is to write a program using Python language to calculate the customer uh, water bill automatically. Before any further of this presentation, I want to introduce to another member of the team, Muhammad Aiman bin Zulkifli. So as you can see, our job. Sorry, Muhammad Aiman. Please proceed to the next slide. Okay, thank you. So as you can see, our job is to create a billing system which is we've been hired as a programmer with with Syarikat Air Selangor Sdn.Bhd. The main purpose for this billing system is to reduce manual work, uh, improving work efficiency, saving time, and to provide greater flexibility and user friendly. Okay, next, move on to the next slide, please. Okay, so our objective uh, for this mini project is to design a computer uh, or program which will integrate all instruction and the concept of programming. Second, our objective for this mini project is to create a Python program that automatically calculates the bills of customer. And lastly, uh, our objective uh, is to is to create a Python program to generate a calculation of billing system which was created in response to the growing need to the speed up work and incorporate a new work culture. So basically our objective of this mini project, sorry Mama Iman, back to the slide, to the previous slide. So basically our objective of this mini project is to design a computer system, or you can call program, which will integrate all instruction and the concept of programming. The industry can be uh, telecommunication, water, electricity, local government, or income tax. But based on what I already explained on our job description, the Python program which we create is to calculate the water bills automatically for Syarikat Air Selangor Sdn.Bhd. It should complete all tasks related to customer record details and bill charge in accordance with the applicable plan. As the previous system was entirely manual, this software was proposed to reduce manual work, improve work efficiency, save time, and provide greater flexibility and user-friendly. So, uh, before moving to our coding, I want to give an introduction to our Selangor Sdn.Bhd. So, Mohamad, please, can you move to the next slide? Okay, thank you. So, air Selangor, uh, Selangor Water Management Sdn.Bhd or Air Selangor formerly known as Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor or Syabas, is a water concession company owned by the Selangor State Government. Air Selangor is the largest water operator in Malaysia, distributing clean and safe treated water to consumers in Selangor, Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya. So, Air Selangor also operates 34 water treatment plants located in 11 regions such as Petaling, Selangor Shah Alam, Kuala Rangat, Sepang, Gombak Hulu Rangat, Hulu Selangor, Sabak Bernam, Kuala Selangor, Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya. So, okay. Following the water services industry restructuring, the water services industry in Selangor, Federal Territories of Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya had been highly fragmented and inefficient for 2 decades since the water services were privatized in 1994. Hence, Air Selangor took over 6 different water operators, namely Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor, Sdn.Bhd, known as Syabas, PNSP Water Sdn.Bhd, known as PNSP Water, formerly known as also Puncak Niaga Sdn.Bhd, Konsortium Abbas Sdn.Bhd, known as Abbas, and Konsortium Air Selangor Sdn.Bhd, known as KSB, and Syarikat Pengeluar Air Selangor Sdn.Bhd, known as Splash, as well as Air Selangor for the Sungai Sireh and Semenyih, 2 water treatment plants. Lastly, on 13 September 2019, Air Selangor has become the sole provider of holistic water supply services in Selangor, Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya, operating under a license awarded by Suruhanjaya Perkhidmatan Air Negara, also known as in short form SPAN. So, on the next slide, okay, over here we got a flow chart. As you can see here, this is a flow chart designed by us to program a billing system. So basically, flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. So we as a programmer use it as a program planning tool to solve a problem. It makes use of symbols which are connected among them to indicate the flow of information and processing. So basically, flowchart is the first step to do before we move to create a program in Python. So I think that's all for me. Next, I would like to pass to Muhammad Aiman to continue this presentation to give some explanation of billing system in Python. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I will explain about the Python coding. Okay. As you guys can see, this is our program. Okay. We show first the coding. Alright, I will explain what is and what is contained in our coding. Okay, the first at the line 7 is I have a client detail. Okay. Our client detail is Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor. I put all the about client detail, the name, when the establish of the Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor, the website, the contact, email, vision, mission, and address. Okay, move to next, line 13. This is my our company detail. Same as client detail, I put the name, establish, email, and contact, vision, mission, and our address. For the next, I put the customer detail. At this coding, I put two customer detail. For first, I put for the first, I put the name, number IC, email, contact, the number of the meter, the water usage of the house, overdue charge, and extra charge, and the last, add the address. Okay. Same as the second customer. Okay. Move to the coding. Okay. For the firstly, why we log in the run the coding, we can see. Wait, I run the coding. Okay. What? Wait. Okay. For the first, the coding will show. They ask for a password, so I will put the password 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the coding will show the some option. Okay, I will explain about the option about the coding. Wait. Okay, after we have correct the password. We we key in the correct password. The coding will show daftar masuk berjaya. If we incorrect password, the coding will show salah kata laluan, and they ask again for the password, for a correct password. Okay, and then it show as shown in the coding. There are 3 options in the menu. First one is latar belakang syarikat, and the second is bil pelanggan, and the third is keluar. Okay. Back to the coding. Okay. If we press 1 and enter, it will show latar belakang syarikat. The first this is show our client details. Like I say, name of the syarikat, VC, mission, and owned by whose and establishment. And at the below, as shown, is program made by our company, is Asman Easy Sdn.Bhd. Okay. This is second option, 2 option, bil pelanggan. We must enter the code of the customer, like first 0001. Okay, it will show first customer bills. Okay, first customer bill is my basically it will show jumlah tunggakan or overdue. Baki semasa means if it have extra charge, it will show at baki semasa, and jumlah keseluruhan yang perlu dibayar, the total of what must we pay. Okay. This is first customer. If I put second customer, okay, like this, this customer is Sungazi. Okay, like like the shown in the coding, they have no jumlah tunggakan or overdue, and he has extra charge. Means in previous month he pay extra, so we does not have the means extra money in the account, so it will showing it will show in the coding. So baki semasa or extra money 60 ringgit. So after calculate all the usage quarter, it will show jumlah keseluruhan yang perlu dibayar, or total he must pay is 4 ringgit. If we put 3, it will log out. Okay, that's all. That's all for my coding. Next, I will move to bill. Means example bill. Okay, this is example of water bill. Okay, as shown in the example of water bill, this is water bill. So I cannot follow all the example of the water bill, but I put some of the important thing in the bill in my coding. You guys can you all can see the example of the water bill. Okay. That's all from us. Thank you so much for having us for this presentation. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.